Swipe left, swipe right, just another night. Profiles in my sight, but it don't feel right. It just doesn't feel right, baby. It just doesn't feel right. Faces in a line, wasting.
Hi, good morning. This is 5:41 a.m., July 8th, 2024. I decided to have the voiceover kasi sobrang hina ng audio and baka hindi nyo marinig. So, I am currently having my coffee there while I am preparing Mavi's baon. Maglalagay tayo ng water ni Mavi with ice. And then, I also mentioned na medyo OC si Mavi, kaya pag nagpapabaon ako sa kanya, laging may paper towel. And then, so yan, I'm just showing the baon, which is chocolate chip and then Oreo. And then I'm explaining as well the baon of Mavi with her backpack. She has extra dress, underwear, and then bimpo, just in case. And then, I think that's it.
Okay. It's 5:57. Mag-log-in na tayo. Late na ako. Coffee. Log-in tayo, tapos later, mga 6:30, nag-work muna ako. Pakita ko nyo sa inyo ng slide, tapos later, today, work, and then balikan ko kayo mamaya paghatid namin kay Mavi. Okay? Wake up! Wake up na!
Want to find the light, but it feels so tight. So tight. There's so many fate. Hearts are about to break. Searching for the real. Oh, what's the deal?
Okay, ready na siya for school. Let me see your hair, baba. Okay. That's her hairstyle. Oh, diba? Sino ka dyan? Let's go. Tignan natin si Pachuchay. Try ko. Hold. Iwan na nila ako. Mga friends. Okay, hatid natin si Mav sa school. Now, Mavi, are you going to school? Yes. And syempre, with the support of Ate Masing and the father. Okay. Oh, don't put it in me. Okay, are you excited? Pauwi na kami, guys. Nahatid na namin si Bachuchay. So ngayon, bahay na as. Back to work. Ano pa yung Jejemon? Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Uy, Allah. Okay. Ako ay mag-work muna. Madaming gawain. Charge mo yung iPad ni Mavi. And then, magkukook tayo ng fried rice with egg and kineme. So, for today, back to work muna. Mamaya naman. Okay? Hi. Mag-cook tayo ng fried rice, egg. Ang laki ng egg. Ang laki ng egg.
100 pesos yan.
Ang laki ng egg. Hindi ko alam kung makikita yung difference, pero mas malaki siya. In fairness. Anyway, so cook tayo nan, and then tinapa. Okay, let's go.
What's the deal? So many fake hearts about to break, searching for the real. But what's the deal? What's the deal? So many fake hearts about to break, searching for the real. But what's the deal?
Hi, so time check, 10:59. Susunduin na natin si Mavi. Dito na tayo sa school. With the presence of the ate, as always. So, wait lang natin. Kasi nire-release naman sila 11 o'clock. And then, kukunin natin siya. Meron silang gate pass.
What's the deal? So many fake.
So, ayan. Magsa-summer camp na siya. She is just getting ready. Talk. Work muna tayo. Okay, bye. Okay.
Bye.
Bye, ate. Siyempre, may nakalimutan na naman siya. Mag-outfit check ba?
No. Just like
Yeah, no.
Mike.
Hi. So, gisa tayo ng this is cocido in Bicol. So, sibuyas, kamatis, sibuyas. Ayan, this is the fish. Yan. Sasha. Gusto nyo natin siya hanggang maging juicy ang kamatis. Okay? So, habang inaantay natin mag-juicy ang kalamansi, iwain naman natin habang hinintay natin mag-juicy ang kamatis, iwain natin itong kalamansi.
real, but what's the deal?
sinigang. It's the cocido. Lagyan ko ng talong, okra, kangkong, talbos ng kamote. Madaming vegetables yan siya. So, and then the fish. So, ayun na nga. Good afternoon. Ngayon ay Sabado, 13th of July, 2 o'clock. Say hi, Mav. So, I'm trying to vlog 1 week of our lives. So, ito na yung ikasabado. And then, galing kami sa mall. Actually, bumili na kami ng mga stuff na school supplies, actually. For Mavi, I've enrolled her na. Tapos, dun sa school nila, meron ng mga school supplies. So, ito muna yung una nating i-haul. Yep, since kinder pa lang naman si Mavi, so, meron silang pad paper. Kasama na dito sa parang package ng supplies. And then, meron silang 6 na notebooks na kailangan kong balutin. So, 6 notebooks. Hindi ko pa alam yung mga subjects, actually. Tapos, ito yung pad paper. And then, meron silang isang pencil. And then, merong 8 pieces na crayon. Siguro yung crayon is, parang, kumbaga since kinder, yung basic colors lang muna. Yung ini-explore or ini-introduce nila. So, yun yung kay Mavi. So, yun, hindi ko na kailangang bilhin pa sa mall. Now, yung mga binili naman natin, for Ate Max, si Ate Max ay hindi ko pa na-enroll. I-enroll ko pa lang siya sa Monday. Can you bring that there? Thank you. That's for her. Ito naman yung kay Ate Maxine. So, let's start with ruler. So, pag high school, di ba, kailangan ng mahaba, kailangan ng protractor. Hindi ko alam yung tawag dito kasi hindi ko naman yung ginamit ng high school ako. So, hindi ko yan alam. Protractor lang alam ko. And then, we have 2 pad papers para lang sure na meron tayong supplies and meron tayong stocks. And then, kay Maxine, yung binili ko kasi na notebook, nakabalot na. So, pero kay Mavi, hindi pa nakabalot. So, bumili ako ng plastic cover para balutin yung mga notebooks niya tsaka books. And then tapes, kasi dalawa. And then, yung 1/4 sheet of paper para hindi na siya magputol-putol. Pero nung kabataan namin, pinuputol lang namin yung pad paper. Hinahati yan sa 4. So, yung isang funny story, yung isang pad paper, hinahati ng 4 friends. So, para, di ba, yan, kung 1/4. So, ito yung lengthwise, ano ba yun? Hirap then, crosswise, tagdadalawa na yung binili ko. Para lang, di ba, meron tayong extra, and then meron tayong correction tape. And then, meron pa dalawa pala itong nabili kong 1/4. So, bali 4 ang nabili kong 1/4. Not looking na naman ako niyan. And then, meron tayong scissors. Naubo-ubo na yung anak ko sa kakulitan. This one is for Mavi. Alam mo naman, syempre, pag bibili tayo ng mga stuff for ate, kailangan meron din siya. So, this one is colored pens. Color markers. So for Mavi. She can. And then, pens. Bumili tayo ng mga pen. So, para lang sure. Aray ko, Lord help. Para lang sure, bumili ako ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think I bought 5. Hold on. Oh, ala. I bought, yeah, okay. 5 black pens. and then one red, and then one green. And then, ito, naglambing yung dalawa na gusto daw nila ng, ang mahal nito 40 pesos isa. So, ito kasi 7 pesos lang. So, take advantage of the mura. Pero since bet nila to, pinagbigyan ko na 1 each para lang kung gusto nila magsulat-sulat. And then, na-surprise ako merong free na 3. So, baka mapunta kay mami ang 3 na free. And then, ito na yung notebooks. Oh my God, it's wet. Here are the notebooks. Ang masaya dito ay nakabalot. Meron tayong very cute notebooks. Ito, nakabalot na siya. And, pero spring. So, okay lang daw. Ganito daw yung bet ng anak ko. So, if ever sitahin ng teacher, and then magsabi yung teacher na they'd rather have it na nakatahi, then I'll just tahi. Ginagawa ko naman yun nung elementary ako. Even high school hanggang college, ako yung nagko-compile ng mga notebooks ko. So, I'll just do it. So, we bought 13 notebooks for Ate Max. Although, I'm sure na mga dosena lang siguro or 10 lang yung magagamit nila. Nag-extra na lang ako. This one is good. Yung brand niya is Avanti. Ito kasi ano siya, 7 notes. 7 notes. So, yun lang. Mag-haul lang naman talaga tayo today. And then tomorrow, alis tayo. I have dates with my girlfriends. So, i-film natin yan kasi may itatry namin yung newly opened na SNR dito sa Legazpi. But it's just food, they're just offering like, ano ba yun? Resto, fast food house, yun. Wala naman yung SNR na supermarket. So this one is cute too. Kasi ang maganda is, meron silang mga quotable quotes like, be an inspiration, be brave, diba? Bongga, be strong, sana all. A better day always comes. So sana all. Prove them wrong. Oh yeah, prove them wrong. Be great. Don't be the same. Be better. Oh. Say yes to new adventures. Oh my goodness me. Do what makes you happy. Agreed. Work hard. Dream big. The two stuff, they don't have it. But anyway, she likes it. So anyway, that's it. Balik tayo tomorrow. Okay? So, today's Sunday. Ano ngayon? July 14. 9:40. So, nakapag-blush on tayo for today's video kasi pupunta tayo sa mall. I-meet natin yung girlfriends natin. Di ba sinabi ko sa inyo kahapon? We are going to try SNR kasi bagong open siya dito sa Legazpi. So, ihahat tayo ni husband, dear. Yung kids ay naiwan mo na sa Baler. So, mag-vlog tayo later. Pagkasama natin yung mga friendship. Okay? See ya.
Swipe left, swipe right, just another night. Profiles in my sight, but it don't feel right.
It just doesn't feel right, baby. It just doesn't feel right.
Faces in a line, wasting all my time. Want to find the light, but it feels so tight.
So tight.
There's so many fake hearts about to break, searching for the real. Oh, what's the deal? Lips and smile bright, can't trust that sight. Hard to swipe tonight, lost in this fight. Wanna find my groove, get into the mood, but it's just a blur. It's all so tough. With so many fake.
Hello. Okay. So, hapon na, actually paggabi na, alas 6. Dumating ako kanina around, I think 2 o'clock na yon ng hapon. And then, now is 5:59 na. And I'm just going to close the vlog. And then, mag-edit. And then upload. So, if you're new here, I am Simply Jenny. You are very much welcome to subscribe. I upload vlogs every week as much as possible. And if you're not new here and you are continuously supporting my channel, thank you very much. I appreciate it. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye!